Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a new free airdrop, Kite AI. Before we get started, can you please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video so it can get to more viewers. Let's dive into the video. Connect to your MetaMask wallet. 100 coin will be given to you immediately after connection to your wallet. Connect to your Twitter. Continue. Then authorize app. You'll be redirected to your dashboard and you will gain another 100 points. Then connect to your Discord. Continue. Scroll down and authorize. I'm trying to be quick because I didn't record this as I was screen recording. So we'll gain another 100 points. Continue. Go to tags, do their socials by joining their Discord and joining Telegram. Let's start with Telegram. Okay, I have some connection problem over here. So I think we are going to start with the Discord. So going back to your dashboard. So I guess we got some points without joining their Telegram. So let's continue with Discord. Click on it. It will direct you to Discord. I'm using my PC, so that's why it is redirecting me to Discord app. So continue on Discord. I was having a bit of network issues, so that's why this is delaying. So continue. Finally, we are in. So verify that you have joined their Discord. Verify. After that, go back to your dashboard. I guess it takes a bit time before it confirms that you have joined Discord. Try to start your tutorial. I didn't do that here because I didn't want this video to be long. So try to start your tutorial. It doesn't take more than 5 seconds to complete. Then copy your link and share to your friends. And on a daily basis, come back and interact with the AI, the professor, Airdrop, and crypto body. On a daily basis, interact with them. Just click on it. It will direct you to another site. Connect your wallet to it. The same wallet you used for the AI agents, the Kite agent. Use the same wallet here. Ask any of these questions. What is a Kite AI? It will give you an answer and load that you have interacted. So do the same for crypto body and Shedlock. It will not load immediately that you have interacted. So I recommend you coming back to refresh the page until you are sure it has clicked that you have interacted, just to gain your 150 points every day. This is the end of the video. The link is on the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment on this video so I can get more views. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.